Hi, congratulations on your new chandelier. This is just a quick explanation on how to put your glass in and how to understand which glass goes into which fitting. So if you get your frame hung and you then just go into each fitting, when you lift up this silver piece, you'll see there's a number there. This is number 4, and number 4 will correspond to your piece of glass, which will be wrapped in bubble, and there'll be a number on each piece of glass. Then you just simply grab your glass and your bulb, put your bulb in first, and possibly your electrician will do this for you. And then slip the glass over the top. Make sure all of these grub screws are out as far as they'll go, and then you can just make sure they're tightened evenly all the way around. You can just do each one as you go. And I normally just go around and do a few turns on each one so that they are even. And tighten them up. And there you go. Call us if you've got any other questions.